On my way home tonight, I decided to, play with the drone a little bit. Did a little sunset dinner. I was kind of using it as a tripod up in the sky, which was pretty cool. It actually works really well for that. Future reference, I suppose I could get it in a little lower and closer. But, just kind of playing with different angles and different things. Still learning. It's a different angle with the stationary, just hovering. I don't know. I think that's kind of cool. I'm cooking dinner here, as you can see. Got the little firebox out, little propane campfire. I didn't camp tonight because, well, I've got to work tomorrow morning. It's the beauty of having Sundays out. Yep, I do not get very many Sundays off. I'm really digging this little drone, though. This might be the coolest Christmas presents I've ever gotten. Look at that sunset, huh? See the golden hour reflection in the mountains in the distance there. Absolutely stunning. Now, here's an interesting deal, though. I tried to test out the return to home. It's not very accurate. Return to home is not going to land on the mat. So I aborted that mission. I don't understand why the return to home doesn't quite get it where it needs to be. So, and the cool thing is you can get it close and then cancel it and then, land it yourself. It is kind of weird that it doesn't land itself where it started from. Well, anyways, just kind of playing with it, and I'll get better. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. And we'll catch you on the next little adventure. There's always one somewhere. Bye now.